see exercise that is 1b. Add the following integers. Add the following integers. First problem. So they have given two integers. We have to add them. See 73 and minus 37. How to add this one? So just general addition only. Here minus is there. So subtract that one. 73 minus 37. How much you get here? 13 minus 7. 6. 6 minus 3. So if you want to write like this, write down and do the calculation. Minus here 13 minus 7, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. You get here 36. Now check the two numbers. What is the bigger one here? 73. What is the sign of this one? Plus. So you will get plus in the answer. Understood? What is the bigger number sign? That you have to write in the answer. Okay. Now see the next one. Minus 26 addition. So plus of minus 45. Now we have to add these two. So just first I will apply the sign here. So you know these things. These are see here. Can you remember these things? Plus into plus equal to, always you will get plus only. Next minus into minus, also plus. Okay, but minus into plus, plus into minus, both the times you will get minus only. Understood? Now according to this one, plus into minus will be minus. Here as usual minus 26 plus into minus, minus 45. Now what to do? Minus 26 minus 45, add these two. How to do? First take the minus out and then write the symbols. Write the numbers. Now add these to 26 plus 45 means 1171. So now apply the minus here, minus 71. That is your answer. Understood? Now see the next one, sixth one here, 0 and minus 21. Add these to 0 plus we have to add minus 21. Now apply the sign first, remove the brackets, plus into minus will become minus 21. 0 minus 21 will be, if you add or subtract from 0 anything, any number, you will get that number only. If you add 0 to any number or subtract 0 from any number, you will get that number only. But sign will be the bigger number sign. Among these two, which one is the bigger here? 21 is bigger one. So you will get the sign of this bigger number. Understood? Now see the second problem. Find the additive inverse. Find the additive inverse of the following. So additive inverse will be, if you have the positive number, additive inverse will become negative number. So additive inverse of 23 will be minus 23. Additive inverse of 23 is minus 23. Understood? Now see here 46. What is this one? Additive inverse of minus 476. Already you have here minus 476. So is positive number. If we have negative number, additive inverse of negative number will be positive number. Additive inverse of positive number will be negative of that number. Understood? Okay. Now see, evaluate. How to solve these problems? See, 18 minus of, within the brackets you have again minus 8. So first we have to apply the sign and remove the brackets. So minus into minus, according to this one, minus into minus will be plus. So plus and remove the bracket, write down 8. What is the answer? 18 plus 8 will be 26. Now see here minus 16, I am removing the brackets, applying a minus here and again here also removing the brackets, minus into minus plus 5. So now see, one is like this, minus 16 plus 5. So what is the bigger number here? Minus 16. So subtract from this one, 16 minus 5 you do. Otherwise understand like this, take minus out, it will become plus and this plus will become minus 5. Now do the same thing, 16 minus 5, how much? 11. Apply the minus again and remove the brackets, minus 11. Now apply this one, 8 minus into minus plus 23. Remove the brackets, applying the sign here. 8 plus 23 means 31. 1. That is the answer. Understood? Now see, verify the following. Next problem, verify the following. Minus 14 plus 9 equal to 9 plus minus 14. We have to check these two are equal or not. Okay, so this minus 14, removing the brackets and writing this one. Okay, now I am taking the minus out, so this will become plus, and this plus side plus 9 will become minus 9. 14 minus 9 will be how much? 5. So remove the brackets, apply the sign again, minus 5 the answer. Understood? Now see this one, minus 9, minus 7, break bracket. So first we will solve this one. Again we will add this minus 14 to this one. After that this side, first we will solve minus 7, 14. After that we will add minus 9 here. So from this side we will solve first. So removing the brackets, writing the sign, or taking the minus out here. In both the numbers we have minus. So taking the minus out. So 9 will become plus 9, 7 will become plus 7. And this of minus 14 equal to minus 9 here as it is. First I am doing this side. Here also I am taking the minus out here. So minus I have taken, so this 7 will become plus 7, minus 14 will become plus 14. Now it will be easier for us. Minus as it is, 9 plus 5 will be 16 plus of minus 14. And on this side minus 9 plus of minus of 7 plus 14 will be 21. Now they close the bracket. Now I am applying the minus here and removing all the, here also minus 14. And see here minus 9 and removing all these brackets, applying signs here, plus into minus, minus 21. Here also plus into minus, minus 14. Now again I want to take the minus out. So this 16 will become plus, 14 will also become plus. Now see, minus I am taking out, 9 will become plus 9, minus 9 will become plus 9, minus 21 will become plus 21. And here minus of 30 and minus of 30, and both are equal only. So both we have verified here. Here one side only I have written here. See the other side also, 9 plus minus 14, 9 minus 14. Okay, so do the subtraction, or so 14 minus 9. So how much you get here? 5. So what is the bigger number here? 14. What is the sign of bigger number? Minus. So you will get minus here. Understood? On both sides we get the same answer. So that's we have verified. Okay.